Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make hot chocolate, and this is my face reveal. Let me get the packet. First, you need hot water. So we're gonna get this water. I'm gonna get some water, and then let me get some water. Put some water in the cup. Like this much. Let me show you. Like that. And then you're going to put it on 3 minutes. So let me put. This is cooking with Abby. 3 minutes. Now it's going to press 1 and this, and you're gonna boom and wait. It's gonna cook. If it's still warm, put it on 100. Yum. We still have things. Oh, Sam. And happy Thanksgiving, even though it's not Thanksgiving yet. It's 54, 58. Ooh, that's gonna be good. And since I don't have no toppings, if you guys have toppings, you can decorate it. If I don't have toppings, you don't want to decorate it. You feel me? Okay. Let me put it on my airphone. When you're still waiting, 1918, you can drink your water. You can drink your water. That's too. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, now, where's that pack? Now, I'm following this instructions. You're supposed to put, this is instructions. You're gonna tear it. Oh, how you tear this thing? Like that. And then you're gonna put it in. You're going to do this. And oh. Yo, I feel so weird. Make sure there's everything, and you're gonna throw this away. Ew, it feels so gross. And then you're gonna get a spoon, a master spoon, and you're gonna stir it. Let me just put it here. So this will look like. It looks like this, but if I stir it, this is it going to look like this, and you can stir it fast. We're spilling. Oh. maybe this is a bad idea. Maybe this is a bad idea. I need to, when you spill something, it's just okay. It's okay. It's just okay. You just clean it up like normal people would do. Who will leave something? Who will leave a mess? And you can just do. So the good thing is you're going to stir. Whew. And now try it. I rate it. So put your stem like this. And it's right now, mine's in the middle. Since when it gets to the top, you get to decorate it or drink it. So mine's in the middle. Watch. If it's not working, don't worry. Double spoons will help. Okay, so you take this one. Take this one. And slightly do this. Bam, boop, bang, boom. This is what my grandma used to taught me. If it don't stir, you just put double spoons. And watch the magic.